Hello, once again welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to use Tradingview deriv. Now in trading there's technical analysis and the fundamental analysis, and Tradingview is a tool you can use to analyze your trade on deriv. You can analyze the forex market, you can analyze crypto market, you can analyze the historical indices market. Now I want to show you step by step how to use Tradingview on the FOREX platform. So the first thing you need to do, just follow me. Look at the first thing to do. And if you're just coming to my channel for the first time, do well to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you can get similar videos like this when I post them. Alright, let's go into the class. Now the first thing, you come here to Google and you type Tradingview deriv. Click on that. Then you click on Tradingview implementation for deriv.com. Click on that. Now basically it is free, it's loading. Now you can create a free account here, but I've already done that, so it's free. You don't have to pay anything for this to use it. Now your interface might not be like this. Now all these things can be customized, so if you want, let me go step by step. Now here, this point here is where you choose the assets you want to analyze here. So if you look at this, you have forex, you have stock indices, you have commodities, you have deriv, you have cryptocurrency. So you can search for any asset by typing here. Now for example, if I want to trade say VIX10. Now VIX10 we know it's VIX10, but here on Tradingview for deriv, the symbol is R underscore, so, and the number. So for example, the VIX10, I'll just write R underscore 10, then I click on enter. Now check here. Now this is, it has changed right now, R underscore, so this is VIX10. So you can do likewise. For example, if you want to trade forex, you want to analyze forex rather, click on forex here. Click on forex, then I'll change the asset class. Look at it, as you can see that's a selection. So you want to show EUUSD, so click on enter. By the way, I'm using my laptop, so this is EUUSD. So forex EUUSD, so this is EUUSD analysis. So like the next icon there, the 24 hours shows the time frame. So 24 hours, you can change the time frame: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, until 24 hours. Now because this is the free version, you have limited time frame. Well, this is enough for you to analyze anything you like. So this will help you to analyze the trade based on time frame. Now the next icon here shows you the candle other bar candle. If you click on that, it becomes bar like this. Click on this, the candles, you see it. Next one, hello candle, and so on and so forth line. So that's basically it. So as we don't know to candle, so let's keep it on candle. Here you can compare symbols and all that. Here for indicators, this way you add the indicators. So let's click on it. You see there are many indicators here, many indicators. So if you're, for example, if you want to use stochastic, just type it stochastic. Like that, stochastic. Look at this, stochastic, then voila. So likewise, you can change. You can change it. Like if you want to remove the start indicator, just click on the indicator, then click on cancel, and that's all. Let me do that once again. Indicator, you can anyone, NACD, click on it, then it appears here. Yes, if you want to remove it, just click on the indicator anywhere here, just click on it, then you will see this symbol, this. You can click on cancel and voila, off. You get that. So you can use arrow to undo any action you're taking here. Like if I click on undo now, the MACD will come back, as you can see. then I can redo again. It's as simple as that. Redo, it's off again. So did you get that? Yeah. So if you got that, say I got that in the comment section. Now let's go to this other side. Now let's work on the works. Now if you want to remove all the vertical lines and the horizontal lines, or change the color of the candle, that can be done by clicking this icon here, the icon, the chart property icon. Clicking it here, you click on it, then you see this, you see symbol. So you see symbol. Under symbol is the body. This is what we call the body. This is the body. The border around it, the width. These are the widths. These are the widths. These are the widths. So you can use, so you can change the color of the width and everything like this. Now, if I untick this button, if I untick this body now, you see, not that will happen. Only the border is showing. So untick the border too. You see, no more border. If I untick the width too, nothing again will appear on the board. So basically, so you can, if you don't like green and red as your color for your candles, you can change it to anyone that pleases you. So basically, that is what symbol under the chart settings is. Under the chart settings, that's what symbol is. You can change it if you like. Now here also you can change your time zone. You can change your time zone depending on where you are from. I'm from Nigeria, proud of it. So I can scroll down to where I can see Nigeria. So Nigeria, where are down. So you can scroll down and you can see Johannesburg and all that and all that. So you can just choose. Well, Nigeria is not here. There should be a place for that. So you can just check your own city and choose the best time zone. So I just leave it at default UTC. Now, yeah, leaving as default. Any study you do here after doing the test, you can click on OK. Well, let's go to the next thing under the list here. So we have just talked about symbol. Let's go to the next one, status line. Status line. Now basically here, these are the, when you status line, all these lines you see around here, all this line here, you can read open market status. You can remove the line. Open high, low close value. You can remove that. Bar change value. You can remove that if you want to, but really just leave them by default. They're important. So if you look at this, when I remove, if I remove this value, please look at this point here. Look at this point, open high. When I untick it, it's off. Open market status. Open market status. So if you look at this point here, look at this green. If I untick it, it's off. So open market status tells you if market, it helps you to know when market is on or when market is off. So that's what this function is. So and all that, the volume, if I click on the volume, it will show you the volume of trade. Show the volume of trade. So basically, those are the things they are meant for. Now, as you can see, background. Let's untick background. What happens? You can also move this. You can also move this to make the thing more transparent or less transparent. The background. This is the function. The next one is the scale. So the scale, like the same thing. You can play around all these, but you can leave at default state. No need to change that. Then finally the appearance. Now the appearance. You can observe all here. You see the horizontal and vertical lines. Now, just in case you don't want to have this horizontal vertical line, you can change it here. Also the background. Now the background is on solid. You can change it to gradient. I think the is the color, but let's leave it as solid, and you can change the color. For example, let me change the color to black now. Let's see what happens. Voila. So those of you that like black background, you can change the color, but maybe prefer white background, change the color to white. So if you are getting this, correct me in the comment. I'm getting this. Right, I'm getting in the comment section. So let's continue. So you can remove the vertical grid line. This vertical grid line, you can remove them. Just click on this color, turn it to white, then The next this same look at, as you can see it as full out the vertical line. You can do the same thing for the horizontal line. Do that, then you see your background is pure white. So if you like the black background, you can just turn it to black. So you have a pure chart like this. So you see why the Vatican finish the Vatican is showing right now is because the colors I set it to what is white. So I set it to black, everything is clearly black here now. Let me set it to black so that you see for yourself. Turn it to black. So pure black background. So did you get that? So but let me block my white. I like it to be white. So white. So for price action traders, they like we like our charts to be really clean. Leave it this way. Section break. Now section break is used to identify different sections from Asia section to American section and the likes, all different sections that we have in forex trade. So if you click it now, see the sections are showing, not looking pretty. Let me just use the line. So it's 24 hours. So you can use that to just make the session, but I don't need that for now. So let's scroll. You can change your crosshair. This is what they call crosshair. This, as you can see, the crosshair. You can change the color, change it to red. You see now it's turned to red. This is the crosshair, it's turned to red. Turn it to yellow. This is the crosshair, it's turned to yellow. Turn it to green. Turn it to the green. So you can make any color you like. Well, let's leave it as black. So you can watermark your chart if you want to. As you can see here, look at watermark. But I don't need that. So probably you want to customize. You don't want somebody to copy your analysis. You want to customize it. You can click on customize and write what you want to. So basically, you can leave this as default. All these are default. Then basically, once you are done with all the changes you want to make here, you can now click on OK. Also, you can save, you can apply, you can just click on apply all your changes. For better speed, just quickly go to just say OK. So with that, our chart, our workspace has been analyzed and changed into something good like this. So we have gone through this icon, this icon, and the settings. Now let's go into other tools. Now, as you can see, this is for trend line. These trend lines, you can see trend line. So trend line, we all know what trend line is used for. So if you click on this now, so you can draw a trend line. So you tap the points you want the trend line to start from. Then you can draw the trend line. That's what the icon is used for, trend line. So you can use that for a trend line. So basically that's the trend line. So this icon is trend line. But underneath it, there are other tools. You see, arrow. Probably you want to analyze trade or your projection, you can use arrow. So say 50 point. So this arrow, that's arrow. So this is the tip of the arrow. This is arrow. So those are the things. Those are the tools under this. There are many other tools. You can use trade angle, extended line, horizontal. If I click on this, and horizontal line will be shown. Yes, I click on that's the horizontal line. Then I can adjust it to anywhere I want to. To adjust it, just hold the point that is highlighted and drag like that. If I want to move it, just let the point and move. I can move it. So basically, that is what you find here. So those are the things. What is the parallel channel and all that. So let's undo all those. Undo. Okay. So next on these icons here, the next one is the Fibonacci retracement. Now it depends on your strategy. I guess you know Fibonacci. If you click on this now, this. So this. I think if you want me to do a video on how to remove all this multicolor on the write to the comment section a video on how to remove all this multicolor images. I'll do that. So let's continue. So all these are tools you can use depending on your strategy. Mostly I use out of all these tools here, I only use military replacement. So the next one on this icon here is the brush. So the brush, the highlighter, you know what highlighter does, you know what brushes do. Let me just show you what brushes do. You can see the brushes, can use the brushes to draw lines. So those are that's the job of the brush. So we know what highlighter, you know what highlighters do, color. So basically that's so that's just like that. Here now, this is very important. Let me undo all this. Now this rectangle is used in trade analysis to know your point of interest. Probably you are saying price will come to this place and you can draw your point of interest here, drag it like this. So this is the box. So you can change the color if you want to. You know, you can change the color here. You can change the color. Most of us like using ash. You can click on the fill color to fill up the ash oil. It will become ash now. So you can change the color. You can move the center to the center. You can move here up. You can move here down. Just hold it, press down, right click and drag. That's what you do. All these highlighted points, right click, drag down, and drag up, and so on and so forth. If you want to move the entire rectangle, just right click and move. Right click and move it. As simple as that. It's not complicated in any way. Right click and move it. So basically that's it. So you can play around with all these tools, eclipse. Now another important tool I want to know about is polyline. So let me show you what polyline do rather. So polyline is something like this, analyzing what they call this thing. So maybe a bullish move. This is what you can use polyline. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, and something like that. So that's what they can use this to analyze, to teach mostly by tutor. So basically that's what all these things are. So you can play around with these things. They're not rocket science, quite easy. So I'm undoing this, what I've done earlier. Sorry. So let me delete this. So as simple as that. So basically that's what the tools here are for. You can play around them. Then text, if you want to a balloon call out, you can write text on this board with this. Maybe here you can write the text and just say POI, probably point of interest. If that's your point of interest, you can write it here inside the rectangle. Probably this point of interest, so you can write inside and say that's the point of interest and all that. Right, and you can move what you are written. Just go that point, move it. Right click and move. Basically that's what this tool is for. You can use to write notes. Like let me click on this note. Maybe you have the notes here. I write a note and say let's say high. Anything, just write anything you want to write. So when you put your cursor here, it will show you what here. See, once you put the cursor, it will show you. So that's what this is all about. You many other things here, arrow up, arrow down, balloon, the same thing. Write it here. So here, patterns. Wave. Now all these ones, the strategy, ABCD pattern. If there's any strategy, you can use it. Head and shoulder, all that and all that. So now here, finally here, this one I will stop because the video is becoming too long. If you want me to talk about another thing on this on Tradingview, write in the comment section and I will do a video about it. So The last point is here where you put for prediction. You can see prediction. Let me show you in prediction and measuring tool. So you click on this. Now this is where you, if you have after analyzing your trade and you want to know the number of pips, whether it's a long position, short position, forecasting, day trading, and all that, this is the tool. So we mostly use this long position, short position. So for instance, for instance now, let's say I am on analysis now. I say okay, trade might likely come to this imbalance. If you're a smart money trader, you know what I mean by imbalance here. So I might say okay, my point of interest, or let me say it comes to this other block here. That's my point of interest. This other block here, the price might come to that other block. Now this is a bullish other block here. Why we come to this other block before going up here. So now in my analysis, I believe the price will come down to this point of interest, like POI point of interest, before from here going up. So I can so I've analyzed that the price will come down here and go up. So I can put my long position somewhere here. Then I put my stop loss somewhere here, and my target somewhere here. So with this now, this measuring tool helps me to know now my risk to reward. Look at risk to reward ratio 7.03. So my risk is just 6.3 pips, for 6.3 pips to get 325.4 pips. So for 6.3 pips to get 325, not bad. So if price comes here and from here goes up, so I'll be getting 325.4 pips in this trade. So this two position 2 4. So my guys, basically other you can use this to, if you love to play with emojis, you can play with them and all that. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, this is what it's for. Magnet mode, I don't use this. So if you start use top of this, you can just exploit and all that. So you can stay in your drawing mode, lock it down and all that. So basically with this is how you can use Tradingview deriv to trade. Now if you have any other questions that you feel that I didn't talk about something that you're having challenge with, you can comment on the comment section, and I promise to do a video about it. Thank you for your time, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button right now, and then the like button and the notification button, so that when I send similar videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it, and others too might get to see this video. Thank you, and bye for now.